So this is a traditional 3.5 horsepower engine that runs a pump. It's a irrigation pump, and archaeobotanists have been using these in these mechanized systems for many years, and they're very useful. They have enough power to really move the water well. You have to maintain it, and you have to buy gasoline, and you have to listen to it. So we've switched over to the solar system, but it has done remarkably well for 20-some years. And you can see that the motor is here, spark plugs, the oil goes in here, the gas goes in on the other side. You start it over there. So that's the engine that drives the water. The yellow part of this motor is the actual water pump, where the hose attaches from the source and comes in through here, gets pushed, sucked in, and then pushed out through here. And this is what would attach the fire hose to the actual tank. So the water pressure is generated by this. Today I'm going to show you a classic SMAP float machine with a 3.5 horsepower motor that is attached to a water pump that takes the water, in this case from a local spring, through this filter, up this hard tube, into the pump, and then on into the actual machine that we float in. And the first thing we do is attach it to a bucket and then put this in the pond or spring or river or canal, and then we prime this, and then we attach everything and get going. So after this green hose is attached, we then put the filter, the water tube, into the pond, in this case a spring, and let the bucket fill up so that it's all immersed in water and as clean water as we can get. And then we're going to attach the rest of the motor. Okay, so once we have the tube connected to the water, Limbert, my trusty assistant, is going to prime the pump, which means we sort of fill up the tube with water so that when the suction starts, when the motor starts, the water comes zooming up. So that's what he's going to do now.